My father told me I was timid child. At school they said I had no style. And I was dreaming to...
Welcome everyone, welcome to Eobc 2024. Made some rigs last night, and this is what we're going to be using as well as a pulley rig today. It's got some Cox and Raw hooks on, size 2/0 and 3/0. Basically, it's a pulley rig, but with a twist. I've made a bit of a tackle tart and all. I've got some pulley beads. So I've got a clip on an impact lead. That's just a locking clip there. It has to come up and good for casting. To an 80-pound snood pulley bead. So it comes up then, this is where it gets reed. So I have a knot, and on that knot I've got a 6-inch strip to a hook. That's the tag end of the knot instead of a swivel. And off this end comes down to a cascade swivel, and then a hook on the bottom, so it all clips up perfectly, and I'll show you before we cast out. So we're fishing Dimlington today. Good luck to everyone who's fished. It hasn't gone off. This is what it does, it saves the battery. So yeah, main Keaton's on Dimlington and a few others. So right, we'll catch you in a bit. Hopefully we'll catch some fish.
Rules of safety are better equipped to lead us than their robo-suits.
Hey up. Alright.
Welcome to the Cots and all.
Some Blanca's paradise.
Blanca's paradise. That's Blanca's, by the way. Well, if you can't beat them, join them. Cartoons on the telly. Sausage casserole in the slow cooker. Pressure cooker.
Smelling good as well.
In a just.
Smells good.
Gazza will walk out there with a knife and fork in his hand. Oh well, right. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
We're all on day 2.
Welcome everyone. Day 2. Yesterday was a washout, obviously, and now we're fishing Wivensey, south end of the province, salmon. Keaton on a 3-hook flapper. Got yellowtails on there, and I've got pulley rig on. And on the pulley rig I've got white, a black, and squid wrap. So yeah, bit of a mix. We'll be fishing like 3 rigs between the two of us. So we're on. So if anything happens, we'll be the first to know, and all that carry on. We're on the beach there. We've got Gazza and Shane, Harmless Godfather. Good luck, boys. And I can see you over there touching each other, rubbing each other's leg inside the leg and that. Looking nice and cosy in that igloo beach buddies, culled up together since 3 o'clock this morning. We'll not talk about anything else like that, because you can all put your imagination what's been going on in that beach buddy. Where I've just been on the sand and Keaton's been in the car waiting for us to go get him. Now we got down here about 4:15 this morning. Got a place on the beach. But yeah, good crack. Hope we catch some fish today. As per, the weather's dropped right off, being westy since 1 o'clock this morning. And we just got to pick a walk really. We'll go catch fish, Keaton.
Yeah.
There you go, Keaton said we'll go catch fish. That'll be us anyway. He's got on the rod for a bit today. That's just cast out now. See if we can get your other rods a bit more. Bit of rod view for you, for a change. Crocs.
Crocs.
Crocs. Crocs are on. Aye, I've got the GoPro fastened to the tripod on my swivel thing. So we'll see how we get on. We'll keep it like that now. I'll see if we're really fishing, so that'll be alright. See how we get on, people. Remember, like, share, subscribe and all that carry on. If you give the video a thumbs up, it does help the channel out a lot. And whatnot, so yeah. Bang on. Drop the head up there, there we go. Well, I just waiting for the fish now. Catch in the air. Come on. Get the other one out. In fishing matches, you're always best off having 2 rigs on the go. At least 2 rigs on the go, sorry. So you can unclip one, get a little pre-weighted one up, chuck it out. If you can get the enough clipping, like. This one's mackerel and razor clam. Wrapped up. See if we can get that ray out. Oh well, let's hope we can get some out of that one then. Using the Pen 515 Mark II. Just want to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed lately. I really appreciate it. If you go back, if you look on the playlist of the channel, there's big clubs of all sorts really. Just trying anything for the fish now. Absolutely anything. 1 hour in. See how we get on.
I've done 2.
What tangle up that was. Hooks had done a figure of 8 knots around Keaton's line. White worm dying, I've got to wrap it on to the bait. this one I'm using, I've got obviously dead white where I want to be frozen squid and mackerel. Give it another try.
Tapping my line.
Alright, you will all know the saying of the look at what you could have had. Just washed up on the beach, Extras, been a nice cuddle and that. Eyeless like. Yeah. There we go. That might be the only fish you see in this video. What are you doing, King? Well, I've just had a bit of a bite, and
Bait was smashed to pieces.
smashed a bit, soft rubber.
I've already got weed on mine.
This cast here is the off the ground cast. It's one of my favourite casts. It's simple, you can do it anywhere. Triple X is 16 foot. And that's a 6-ounce sled with bait. 2 worms I think on there, and yeah, it just gives you a nice bit of action in the rod tip. Hope you're enjoying the video, and see you on the next one. Well, it is what it is. That's the end of the match. Well, guess what? I've just got last cast. 32 centimetre whiting. So I haven't blanked. So thank you all for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you want. If you don't want to, don't bother. But I'd appreciate it if you like the video. And I'll see you next time. Oh, it's back to fish, back to fish. There we go, to where now. And it's gone. See you all later.